This is a brand new 2013 Ford Fusion. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include XM satellite radio, hill start assist, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, front airbags, air conditioning, full power accessories, front and rear reading lights, privacy glass, and an anti-theft protection system. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Pacelli's Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 4020 Highway 264 West in Washington.